Beyond Automation in Distribution Centers is a case study that took place back in 1999 when Ahold, a large food retail company from Netherlands, acquired Santa Isabel Supermarkets, the second largest supermarket chain in Peru. Let's see what happened. Oh, what a messy supply chain! 2 warehouses, 27 supermarkets, and multiple suppliers, but no synchronization at all. Unnecessary long lead times, emergency orders, transfers between supermarkets, and many, many mistakes. That was the picture of Santa Isabel Supermarket supply chain back in 1999-2000. Ahold set the vision to turn Santa Isabel Supermarkets into the leading supermarket chain in Peru, and with this current supply chain, they were far away from achieving its goal. They need to change. They need a strategy. So the strategy was to create a central distribution center operating with radio frequency technology, and this radio frequency technology integrated to a warehouse management system. This is how the new Santa Isabel Supermarket supply chain will look like. All products from suppliers will flow through the central distribution center to each of the 27 supermarkets. The strategy will lead to a better coordination between supermarkets and suppliers, decreased chain lead response time, and synchronized cross-supermarket scheduling. That sounds great. Do not forget the warehouse management system. It played a key role within the distribution center since it allowed the efficient data transfer for different activities. For the receiving function, it generated labels for pallets, product description, date received, lot of purchase order number, expiration code, and location code. For the storage function, it included confirmation of stow, update of inventory upon stow, stock reservation capability, and provision for cycle counting. Order processing was another relevant function. It generated consolidated pick orders taking into account route optimization, roll containers capacity, and workload balance among pickers. Everything sounds good, but what happened after 7 months of operation? The distribution center was not delivering orders on time, and Santa Isabel supermarket managers believe sales losses were a direct result of the distribution center operations. Oh no! In order to overcome this problem, the slotting team applied the constraint management approach. It is a philosophy that focuses on a continuous improvements process to identify and solve system constraints. A constraint is defined as something that limits the system from achieving a high performance for its intended purpose. This approach considers that the ability of an organization to achieve its ultimate goal is limited by a single or just a few constraints. Our first step was to identify several surface problems in order to determine the current reality tree, CRT. The CRT is a cause-effect diagram and is designed to help identifying the system constraint, root causes or core problems that cause major undesirable effects. The picking operation was identified as the highest problem area with several undesirable effects such as congestions on A picking positions, high-demand products, replenishment process too long, order picker mistakes, forklift drivers performing secondary tasks, and product deterioration incidents. And they were the result of wrong product allocation, no priorities set up in the warehouse management system. So, these are 2 of the main constraints that we need to address. An extra picking position for high-demand products was assigned. In doing so, it increases the availability of high-demand products and offset replenishment delays. Priorities to replenish high-demand products over medium and slow demand were established in the warehouse management system. Moreover, a procedure was implemented to ensure high-demand products were replenished at the end of the night shift. In this way, it allowed order pickers from the following shift to start their tasks early in the morning without replenishment delays. A distinction and relocation between carton products and bagged products were made in the layout. As a consequence, the picking time was significantly reduced and the deterioration incidence decreased to less than 5%. Excellent! Fantastic! The complexity of the distribution center operations left us with an unlimited number of things to improve. However, only a handful of those potential improvements would make a real difference. The constraint management approach provided the fastest and lowest cost means for increasing efficiency and improving the distribution center productivity. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.